You know what, guys? Who gives a crap? I'm starting a new Let's Play. Yep. 0.9.1 Let's Play. It is going to be crazy. And I already started it a little bit. Look at the crafting, it's so weird. Okay. It's cool though. It's weird and cool. So at the same time, I'm used to the other one, so I'm not like kind of getting I'm gonna be kind of newbie. So sorry about my camera. Get up. Okay, well that wasn't a good start. But that gravel was annoying. Ooh. This recording is so annoying. The camera. Alright. Let's get up. Oh. Holy crap, you can swim out water really fast. Okay, so this is all the stuff I can make. Okay, I have a furnace. Wait, no, I do not. Can make only one furnace. I love this. This is really, like, awesome. Okay. I have to go find some coal. I think there was coal in this cave. Am I right? Yes. Alright, let's go get this coal. Oh, get this on too. Boom, it's a chunk load. Is it? Oh, yes, baby. Yes! Just need more coal. Perfection! This is probably the third best day of my life. First was when I found out about Minecraft. Third is when, no, first is when I was born. Third is when, I don't know, wait, so first is when my mother made me. Second is when I found out about Minecraft, and third is, no idea. Third was, 0.9.1 update. This is like the best update ever. I love it. Ooh. Oh, just enough, man. Just enough. You know what? I'm gonna do all this stuff off camera because I just wanna, like, I don't wanna deal with the camera thing anymore, so I'm just gonna go. Alright, bye.